So, motorhomes, heating things, fiberglass repairs. Guys, I just want to bring this up to your attention. Todd McCarthy here from AllBrand Caravan Services. And just want to think about these sort of things, loot and peaks, side repairs, fiberglass repairs on motorhomes and caravans. A big thing these days, which happening in the way things are manufactured. A certain repairers don't have things in-house. So please guys, have a think about it. If you've had any damage, you need your sort of, let's say your caravan updated and made sure it's polished and looked after, come down and see the crew down here, and especially this one here. We're gonna put some B-roll in here and show you the damage that's come in, but you can see behind me what it looks like. It's come up fantastic, but come and see me. We've got boat builders on site, fiberglass repairers on site, and also painters on site, and we can put these things in the booth to get it sorted. So appreciate your time. Just wanna make sure you're getting looked after in all aspects of your RV repairs. We're here to help you. Get on www.allbrandcs.com.au for any more of your stuff you need to know about. Thank you.
AllBrand Caravans. AllBrand Caravans.